Today I'm going to show you how to change the batteries in an Apollo chair scale. Underneath the chair here, behind the indicator, if you can see, you have a back plate with a whole bunch of screws. We're looking at the smaller screw here. It's a number 2 Phillips. What we're going to do is remove all these screws and the front of the case will come off. For illustration purposes, I have an extra indicator here. So essentially, this is the back of the indicator, and inside you can see where the batteries are located. So what we're going to do is remove the batteries. Careful when you remove the batteries not to damage anything on the circuit board up here. So the batteries are removed. I recommend that you put Duracell, ProCell, or industrial energizers here. Do not buy batteries from the dollar store. You will not get the battery life you're expecting. We're going to go ahead and put new batteries in here. If you look inside here, there's a plus and a minus as far as how the battery should be orientated. Okay. Once the battery is installed, make sure they're properly installed. We're going to go ahead and put the back plate on now. You want to inspect the rubber gasket here and make sure that there's no damage on the outside edges. It's quite important that you do this to make sure no water gets inside the case. This is a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. We're going to go ahead and start each one of these. We are not tightening these all the way. We're going about halfway to 3/4. If for some reason one of these screws is lost during the installation of the back plate, the screw is a number 6 32 by 1/4 inch. As far as being a Phillips or a flathead, as long as we can get it tight and make a proper seal, that's what we're looking for here. Now that we've started each one, the goal here is to apply even pressure throughout the whole pattern of the screws here. Similar to installing a tire, I start at one corner, go to the other corner, and we're doing this hand tight to begin with. If a torque screwdriver is available, that may be an option to get equal torque on all the screws. If it's not available, you'll have to do the best you can as far as determining if you have equal pressure. Go back one more time. And we're just making sure that we have a good tight fit and that the seal between the back plate and the indicator will keep out any moisture that's in the environment. Once this is secured, we'll go ahead, turn it on, make sure everything's working properly, and that's about it. Thank you very much.